In this video, you will watch a demonstration of how to troubleshoot and repair RAID 1 for RAID array using NVMe SSD drives on a Lenovo P520 Intel ThinkStation. These steps should also be the same for Lenovo Intel ThinkStations P720 and P920. If your RAID 1 configuration is experiencing performance issues, it may be due to a failed drive. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and repair your RAID configuration. Reboot your ThinkStation. Repeatedly press F1 to enter BIOS. From the main menu, select System Summary. See if one of your drives is no longer detected by the BIOS. Turn off your machine and replace the broken drive. Reboot your ThinkStation. Repeatedly press F1 to enter BIOS. Go to Advanced. Then select Intel Virtual RAID on CPU. Select the degraded RAID configuration. Select Rebuild. Select the new disk. The RAID configuration should now show as rebuilding. The rebuild time depends on the capacity, but it should still be usable. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.